Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on -6 mixed complement formula. The -6 formula we did earlier was of big friends, and today we will do mixed complement. Both the formulas are same, but the way we are going to apply it is different. Let's see how. We will do B row in the class, A row will be your homework. B row, let's start. Plus 12 -6. This is the different thing I am talking about. Formula for -6 is -10 plus 4. Do I have beads for plus 4? No. So I am applying the formula of plus 4 further. That is plus 5 minus 1. What did I do exactly? I didn't have beads to do -6. So I was applying its formula -10 and plus 4. But in -6's formula also when I was doing plus 4, I didn't have beads to do plus 4. So I further applied its formula. We are doing formula and formula. Okay. Now -2. Formula for -2. -5 plus 3. Then plus 5. My answer is 9. In mixed complement, we apply formulas and formulas. In small friends and big friends, we can directly apply the formula. Next question. 14 -2 -6. Do I have beads to do -6? No. So my formula for -6, -10 plus 4. No beads for plus 4. So formula for plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. Then -6. My answer is 0. Next question. 13 -6. Do I have beads to do -6? No. So my formula for -6 is -10 plus 4. For plus 4, plus 5 minus 1. And then plus 2 plus 6. For plus 6, we will do plus 10 minus 4 because no beads. So my answer is 15. For any number that we don't have beads for, we apply its formula directly. Next, 10, 1, -6. No beads for -6. So formula of -6, -10 plus 4. Formula for plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. Now plus 3. My answer is 8. Last question. 11, 3, -6. Formula for -6. No beads for -6 because -10 plus 4. No beads for plus 4 also. So plus 5 minus 1. Then plus 4. It's in the question now. So formula for that 4 is plus 10 minus 6. My answer is 12. Okay. Okay. Now kids, complete your first row in homework and let me know the answers in the comments. Okay. Bye bye.